I see him. He is in the living room, near the table.
That is our family box. Mom keeps our old pictures inside.
It is late at night. Jace and his family are sleeping, but the house is not safe yet. A stranger walks into the garden. He moves quietly, like he knows where to go. The back door opens just a little, and the quiet house begins to change. On the living room table, there is a small wooden box. It is not money, it is memory.
This looks important. Maybe something good is inside.
What was that sound? It did not sound like the wind. I heard something downstairs. Maybe a cup fell in the kitchen. I should not go alone. Maya always knows what to do. Maya, wake up, please. I heard a strange sound downstairs. Jace, what is wrong? Your face looks very scared. I heard a sound in the living room. It was small, but it felt wrong. I hear it too. Someone is moving downstairs, and it is not Mom or Dad. Someone is in our house? But the doors were closed. Do not go down. We wake Mom and Dad first. Mom, Dad, wake up! Someone is downstairs in our house.
Come inside now. Stay close to me. Do not go near the stairs.
Everyone stay calm. We will check safely and we will call the police.
Dad, I am really scared. What if he comes upstairs?
We stay together. We do not fight. We use lights, doors, phones, and our eyes. I see him. He is in the living room, near the table.
I am calling the police now. You two stay behind me and stay quiet.
That is our family box. Mom keeps our old pictures inside.
The box is important, but you and Maya are more important.
He put the box in his bag. He wants to leave from the kitchen.
The back door is open. I can lock it, but we must wait for the right time.
Can we turn on the lights? He will know someone is awake.
Good idea. First, we watch where he goes. Then, we turn on the right lights.
Mom calls the police. Maya controls the lights. Jace watches the camera with me.
There is a man inside our house. We are upstairs, and the children are safe.
I can turn on the living room light, then the kitchen light. He is not going to the kitchen now. He is near the stairs.
Maya, turn on the stair light first. We do not let him come up.
What? The stairs have lights?
He stopped. He is not coming upstairs now.
Good. We guide him away from us. We never go near him.
The living room light is on. He cannot hide there anymore.
Too bright. I need to get out now.
He is going to the kitchen. He has the box in his bag.
Back door locked. He cannot leave through the garden.
No, no. Why is this door locked?
He is in the kitchen now. The back door is locked.
Dad, should I press the alarm now?
Not yet. Wait until he moves away from the stairs again.
He went left. That is the pantry. There is no outside door there.
Turn on the pantry light. Let him see he has no way out.
This room has no door. I am trapped.
My hand is shaking, but I can still press it.
It is okay to be scared. Stay with us and do the safe thing.
Now, Jace. Press the alarm.
Now. The alarm is on. He knows we are all awake. That is my baby picture. He dropped it on the kitchen floor. We will get it back. Do not go down, Jace. I want to get it, but I know I must stay upstairs.
That is brave. You want to help, but you still stay safe.
The police are very close. They said we must keep him downstairs.
Can we turn on the outside lights? The neighbors may look out.
Turn on the garden lights and the front lights. The outside is bright too. People can see me now.
He is moving again. He is going back to the living room.
Maya, keep the stair light on. We keep him away from us. There must be another way out. Front door locked. He cannot leave that way either. No. This door is locked too.
I hear the police car. Help is almost here.
The police are coming. Please, please do not let him go. He is running back to the kitchen. He still has the family box.
If we turn on the laundry room light, he may move into that small hall.
Laundry light is on. Small hall light is on too. He is in the small hall now. He is not near the stairs.
Put the bag down. The police are outside. Do not come upstairs.
I just want to leave. Let me go.
No. Put the bag down and wait.
The police are here.
I am opening the front door for the officers now.
Police! Stay where you are. Put the bag on the floor.
Okay. I will not move. Step back slowly. Keep your hands where we can see them.
There it is. Our family box is safe.
The house is safe now. Please stay upstairs for one more minute. It is safe now. Come slowly and stay close to me.
Walk slowly. The police are here, and we are together.
This picture fell, but it is not broken. We found it again.
Tonight, we did not fight. We stayed smart, stayed safe, and stayed together.